Hey guys, I'm here. This is my house, obviously. So I'm here just cause I'm wearing my wolf hat. I love it so much. I got it at Hot Topic. It's really warm, fuzzy, and has ears. So it's a wolf. You might say it's a cat, but I call it a wolf because wolves are awesome. I can remember saying it. Haiti, peace. I love my peace one. I love my Angry Birds one. It's like my awesomeness. And this I got for my birthday, but it's falling apart. So it's sad. Uh, just wanted to say hi, and this pen is awesome. Wait, is it a pen? No, it's not a pen. Oh, it's just a fuzzy thing. So, yeah. Oh, and my new favorite YouTube person is Little Monster Bunny because she's cool. I gave myself some sort of haircut, but it's not really working right now. So, comment below and tell me what you want me to do in my video next. Look at this thing. Whoa, it's an iPad with a keyboard. You want it? You can't have it. Oh, so sorry. Okay, just had to put that in. So, yeah. Bye bye. Have fun watching this video because it was kind of boring, wasn't it? I know what could brighten up the mood. I tried to draw a mustache. You got a pink mustache. Yeah. So, peace out. And the birds. Peace out, people. Peace.